check. Sound check. Give me a second, everybody. Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. Sound check, sound check. Is it working? Are we live? Are we live? Oh yes, we are. All right. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting you live, and happy Monday, everybody. Oh, wrong background. There you go. Welcome to the Forex technical Forex and crypto course. Well, yes, good morning to you too. How is everybody? All right, everybody. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill. When you can learn in the correct way, the goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years in an institutional way. You're first an analyst, everybody. Never forget the picture. How to become a professional trader in an institutional way. All right, you're first an analyst. You need to go to the Forex course 101 into the Forex course 202, which is the business side of trading, everybody. And never forget, you're going to graduate from this course. Hello, Sam, how are you? You are going to graduate from this course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading, everybody. Number 2, you have your strategy in place. You understand how you win, how you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. And for questions and homework, you have my Gmail, everybody. If you didn't receive the manual, send me an email, everybody, alright? And today we have bullish market structure but downtrend. Bullish market structure. And then we go to the Fibonacci's, right? Bullish market structure but downtrend. Alright, there you go. Bullish market structure but downtrend. Okay, everybody, so this is on Friday. We're talking about this one, right? Remember the different variables? And if you want to receive the free ebook with this beautiful guy, now the little book of trading secrets, please visit the website www.fxbossfx.com. Hello, Alexander, how are you? Hello, Mo, how are you? All right, everybody, did I forget anything? I believe not, right? Okay, so in the meantime, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair that it's in a bullish up market wave. In the meantime, we are going to see if there is anything new. We have a bullish market structure, but from the monthly, a bearish market structure from the weekly, and finally a downtrend from the daily. Different structure on different time frames, all good. We learned about that. How are you going to make pips from this market? All good. Yes, day traders have a different strategy, entry, stop loss and take profit levels. Scalpers, different strategy, entry, stop loss and take profit levels. Short-term swing traders, which is me, have a different strategy, entry, stop loss and take profit levels. And lastly, long-term swing traders, which is me, a different strategy, entry, stop loss and take profit levels. But nonetheless, all those system styles and strategies will have different probabilities according to the market wave. Sam says GBP AUD. GBP AUD, everybody give me a second. GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Alright. And everybody, in about 3 weeks time, we're going to have learn how to understand the risk course. Alright, Sam, if you can make it. Everybody give me a second. Oh, what is there to understand about risk? A lot. There is a lot to understand about risk, believe me, you know. Alright, so some traders will short the counter trend line break on the daily short-term downtrend red lines, while other traders will wait for the Okay, nothing special. All right. So we're going to go on GBP AUD. Everybody, daily chart, indicators out. And Fibonacci's out. And give me a second. Extension, retracement, extension. Should be click on this one. Extension, retracement, extension, right? So everybody charting, do you have your support, resistance, pivot points? So the uptrend line, it's like this so far. We can make it thicker. There you go. And talking about the short-term trend, everybody. High to low, low to high, highs and lows, right? High, low, low. Let's make this blue, green, green, red, green. Orange, orange. Orange may be better, right? Bullish market structure but downtrend. All right. Everybody take a look at this chart and tell me what to do. Do you want to buy? So it's the same role play as per Friday. I am the trader. You are my analyst. Tell me buy or sell. All right. So F11. Tell me buy or sell. How are you going to make money today? Tell me buy or sell. And tell me, yes, you can change. So we're talking about, thank you, Sam. We're talking about GBP AUD as in the example. Okay. Now you, the analyst, you can tell me buy or sell the 4-hour chart, the 2-hour chart, the 1-hour chart, the daily chart. And then you need to tell me, are we buying or selling a retracement or extension? And then you need to tell me, are we buying or selling long-term or short-term? Okay? So I'm on the daily, everybody. Tell me what to do. I'm the trader, you're the analyst, everybody. Tell me what to do. You can change time frames, alright? So F11. I have the monthly time frame, everybody. If Forex is going to work. That's the, forget about the Fibonacci's. Fibonacci's out, we're not there yet. So that's the monthly, and F11, that's the weekly. If Forex is going to work. Give it a second. Indicators out, Fibonacci's 2. Out the Fibonacci. The weekly chart is here, everybody. Trend line, we need to readjust the trend line. Like this, F11. And then we have the daily, and then we have the 4-hour chart, right? And again, if Forex is going to... Alright. Fibonacci's we didn't learn yet, so out and out. Uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. Well, I'm going to go on the daily, right? Now you tell me what to do. Hedge fund trader Sam, hedge fund trader Alexander, hedge fund trader Mo, you want to buy the Ferrari, don't you? Do you want the Ferrari? you want to make money, don't you? You want to become a consistently profitable independent trader, don't you? You want that some institution that I'm partnering with gives you millions of dollars to trade, don't you? So tell me what to do. Is that simple? There is no right or wrong, we are here to learn. Come on. I have other people on the other streaming platform already telling me buy and sell, an extension and a retracement. You know, we have a bullish market structure but downtrend. What are we going to do? Move. Hello Date, how are you? Long term buy retracement, short term. Okay, so Date is first, long term buy. Alright, so what are we buying? Am I buying the yellow or am I buying the orange? Date, should I buy the yellow or the orange? On what time frame? And Alexander saying buy retracement short term. Are you talking about the orange one? Should I buy the orange one? Everybody type in the chat orange or yellow and what time frame. On the daily I will sell. You can do whatever you want. What should I do? Tell me to me what to do. And I'm joking, of course. Are you selling the orange or are you selling the yellow? See everybody from the manual. Alexander, buy orange for hour. Okay. If I buy the orange, where does the stop loss go? There is no right or wrong. You can see everybody. Some traders are buying, some traders are selling. There is no right or wrong. Alexander, do you want to buy relevant highs and lows? That being the relevant high, that being the relevant low, that being the relevant high on the orange, that being the relevant low on the orange, or do you want me to buy the short term high to low to high to low? So let's work on this on the violet. Lower orange low, alright. I will sell the yellow on the daily. So Alexander, okay Alexander, so is this buy, let me see, buy retracement short term orange for hour. Alright, very good. So it's a short term buy. Okay. Hedge fund trader Sam, why would you sell the orange? The yellow, sorry, I will sell the yellow on the daily. Why would you sell the yellow on the daily? Everybody, why would you short? Below the red trend line, alright. What pattern are we? Buy retracement, orange. So Alexander, we are buying the violet grid right now. Alright, Alexander, we are buying the violet grid. Stop loss on the violet down in here. So let's make the... There you go. That's Alexander, very good. Alright. Sam, why would you short the orange right now? Look what it's doing. Does this make sense? Alright, me and Alexander, we agree, very good. Mo, what about you, Mo? Long-term buy, what color, what time frame? Everybody, if you want to short the orange, what is the market, the price action doing right now? Is the price action telling you right now we are moving up, or is price action telling you right now we are moving down? What is price action telling you? Don't be shy, we're here to learn. And congratulations to everybody, you are getting it, what is short term, what is long term. Very good. The short term trend is bearish, the orange, the long trend. The short term trend is bearish, the long term trend line. The long term trend line is bearish. It's an uptrend line. Where do you see bearish? I'm buying the violet, alright? So Alexander and Mo, they're together. Price action is moving up, says Alexander. Alright everybody, what I want you, so it's repetition of the knowledge, alright? What I need you to learn is that, Sam, listen to me, Sam, and everybody, is the orange pattern still in place, yes or no? Mo, if you are buying the violet, then the stop loss must go on the violet. If you are buying the yellow, then the stop loss goes on the yellow. Alright everybody? When you have an up market wave, and we've learned this, and when you have the short-term trends on the market wave, and we've learned this, alright everybody, we've learned all of this. When you are entering at the blue and you are trading the blue and your money can sustain the stop loss on the blue, but you put the stop loss down in here, then you are not trading the blue. Does this make sense? Why not? The entry on the violet was in here. The entry on the violet was in here. This was the relevant high on the downtrend. This was the relevant low on the short-term downtrend. This was the first higher high. This was the end of the retracement when the market changed direction of the short-term trend. Alright, this was the entry on the violet. But we went to work, we went to our job, we were sleeping, some of us were on vacation, and we missed this entry, right? So if I am trading the blue, the stop loss must go on the blue. Does this make sense, everybody? Oh, so I cannot enter up in here the violet. You can, but you must, maybe vocabulary it's an issue, everybody, but you must say, oh, I'm entering the violet, I'm buying, like Date said, right? Date said, oh, long-term buy on the yellow. Make sense? But if you say, oh, I'm buying the violet and stop loss goes on the yellow, then you are mixing patterns, right? Boss, this is all the same. This is absolutely not all the same. If you are a day trader personality, more in the Forex course 202, you are not going to be able to wait for 3 months for the violet swings to fulfill. You are going to get crazy. Does this make sense? So you are going to execute and come to an edge and become a professional trader, trading the blue ones, not the violet ones. Does this make sense? This is not the same. You lose money. Me too, 20 years ago. We lose money when we are trading the violet and we put the stop loss down in here. And then the market retraces, stop you out. Me not anymore. Me not anymore, and then goes your way. Make sense, everybody? Pat yourself on the back, it's all good. But you are mixing apples with bananas. Back to Sam. Everybody, what do you think? Is the orange still in place? Is the orange trend still in place? Is the orange downtrend still in place, everybody? Type in the chat, yes or no. Is the orange downtrend still in place? Is the orange downtrend still in place? There is no right or wrong. Alexander and Mo are buying the violet retracement on the Date says yes, still in place. Alexander says yes, still in place. Let's see how smart you are. Now let's see if you are learning anything, everybody, right? Orange is broken. Now it's not. Now it's not. Everybody, pen and paper, alright? Pen and paper. This is, if you can learn this lesson today, I promise you, I guarantee you, you are going to have less losers, alright? Okay, do you have a pen and paper, everybody? Okay, now, every pattern is formed with relevant highs and lows on the pattern, alright? Let's go 5 steps back. Okay, everybody? I need you to pay attention right now. Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Give me a second. Alright? Let's go 5 steps. I'm going to read the comment. Let's go 5 steps back. Head and shoulders, example as a pattern, alright? That's the pattern. Head and shoulders as a pattern, like the short-term trend, like the market wave, and anything else basically. Head and shoulder as a pattern has its own relevant highs and lows. Yes? Type in the chat, yes, I agree, or yes, I understand. Okay? This is head and shoulder as a pattern. You have the left shoulder, you have the head, and you have the right shoulder. Agreed? And those price actions, those highs and lows, those levels, those are relevant highs and lows. Agreed? Okay? Now, if the market goes up and up and up and up and up and breaks the head, because head and shoulder it's a reversal pattern, meaning it works like this, right? So for head and shoulder to be not valid anymore, the market must break the relevant high. Agreed? Does this make sense? Just an example. You need to understand the concept, not to talk always trend line and uptrend. Let's use head and shoulder. So head and shoulder has the relevant highs and lows, and for the market to break the head and shoulder pattern, you know, this is what it's supposed to do, but the market didn't go down, the market went up and up and up and broke the head. Alright? Agreed. Alright. So if every pattern is defined from relevant highs and lows, then logically for the pattern to change directions or to not be valid anymore, the market must break more relevant highs and lows on the pattern. Agreed? Alright. So if we understand the logic, and now we have, oh, one more before we go to trend. So if I can understand this logic, then I can also understand that all others, highs and lows in between, are irrelevant. Can you see everybody? Can you see everybody? You have many highs and lows, don't you? You have this high, you have this high, you have this high. Are those highs relevant to the head? You have this high. Is this high relevant to the right shoulder? You have this high. You have this high. Are the circles highs relevant to the head and to the shoulder? Type in the chat. No, they are not relevant, or type, oh yeah, I mean, they are all relevant, you know. This is the issue when you come to the Advanced Institutional Trader course and you build your strategy, and I'm pushing your ears and I'm asking you, why did you enter there? You should not. And I'm pushing your ears, why didn't you enter? You should. Perception on the relevant highs and lows. And that's why you are first an analyst. Perception on highs and lows, it's an issue. Thank you, Dave. No, they are not. The circle highs and lows are not relevant. The rectangles are the only one that matter. Does this make sense? Is anybody in here who does not agree? Now it's time to tell. If you don't agree, type in the chat, I don't agree, because we need to talk. I think no one. Very good. So the circles are not relevant. Okay? Now, the same applies for the orange downtrend that you are looking at right now. Make sense, Mo? You have a relevant high on the orange downtrend. You have a relevant low on the orange short-term downtrend. You have a relevant high on the short-term orange downtrend. And then you have a next relevant low on the short-term orange downtrend. Agreed, everybody? So Type in the chat, yes, I agree, or type in the chat, no, I don't agree, the head and shoulder, it's one, and the short and downtrend works in a different way. Very new information. I'm going to give you very new information. We've learned all of this, everybody. Your job is to go to Dukascopy Academy. Mo, look at the finger. Mo, look at the finger. Mo, look at the finger. It's your responsibility to go to the Dukascopy Academy and start to rewatch lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. Relevant highs and lows. This is not new information. Maybe it's a new example on head and shoulders, but it's new information on the relevant highs and lows. Everybody go back to Dukascopy Academy YouTube channel and rewatch the lessons, alright? Now, even if the market on the orange makes higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, did this break the orange pattern right here? What's the answer? Same saying, no, it's not in place, but the violet, it's a retracement on the orange. Absolutely. The violet, it's a retracement on the orange. Alexander says, agree, date. No, they are not. I think no one understood new information. No, it's not information. Yes, boss, I meant the head, the show. Yeah, alright. So if we are here, everybody, did this break the... Did the price action break the orange one? Look at the relevant high on the orange one. Okay. Sam, don't be happy yet. Sam, don't be happy. Everybody, did the violet price action making higher highs, higher lows broke the orange relevant high? Type in the chat, yes, it did break. Type it, no, it didn't. It didn't. Did the market break or did not break? Don't be happy yet. Alexander, what do you think? Dave, what do you think? And anybody else online? William, if you're here too, participate in the conversation. We are going together. I have a comment on the other streaming platform. And now wait for the YouTube students trader on YouTube. No, it didn't, says. No, it did not. All right. Now, I am not. All right, maybe you are right. Okay, now, Sam wants to short the orange. If Sam shorts the orange right now, is Sam entering a low probability trade or is Sam entering a high probability trade? Who is happier, Sam or Mo and Alexander? Dave, you are on the yellow, you're happy, it's all good. The yellow, it's the, and now it's the father to the orange and violet, but there is a lot of work to do. There is a lot of work, sure, that's why we're telling you, right? From zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years. Everybody, if Sam shorts the market right now on the orange, okay, Now, the good news, bad news. You know, what is the good news? The pattern is still there, right? Yes, it is. And the violet, it's a retracement on the orange. Agreed? Okay, now, me and Sam, we can project or predict, you know, oh, this market is going to fall because the pattern is still there. But if I short the market right now, am I entering prematurely, yes or no? Sam is more probability for long term. I want to get out and short now. Why would you short an uptrend? Everybody, our issue is the understanding of timing. Why would you short the orange when the market price action is telling you we are going up? Everybody, let's make a poll. Is the market telling you that the market is going up right now? And when the class is over, you are by yourself. You need to understand what is the market doing right now. Make sense? You lose, and you are not going to be a professional trader until you speculate. You can have the best strategy ever that has a great probability ever, but the strategy cannot give you money because you are entering prematurely. Does this make sense? The strategy, I give you my strategy in the advanced course, the Fibonacci. It's making me money for the last 15 years. Does this make sense? It has a statistically proven edge. Nothing special about it. But once you speculate, you are not executing the strategy. Does this make sense? This is Forex course 2 conversation. Boss, can you repeat please? When you have a strategy, but you are not executing the strategy because you speculate, you know, strategy says enter with the whatever may be the case. Now enter with the short-term trend in your direction. Example. So the strategy tells you to short the orange when the short-term price action becomes lower low, lower highs, but you are shorting right now. You are going against the market. Does this make sense? You need to understand how this market works. If you short the market right now, you are entering prematurely on the orange because the market is telling you we are moving up, baby. We're going up. I don't know what is going to happen tomorrow, but so far we are moving up. Does this make sense? So when Mo says, I want to get out and short, why would you short? It's going up. It's making higher highs, higher lows. Pat yourself on the back. This is all normal. We all do speculate in the beginning. This is the learning. This is the training. Trading is a learnable skill. You are going to learn more in the advanced institutional trader course how not to speculate, right? One of the big differentials between a retail trader and an institutional trader, that institutional traders will learn this in the early stages. Don't speculate. Make sense? Retail traders, we need to lose 5 years and 200 accounts and get poor before we, oh yeah, I need to stop speculating. Sam says low probability, I have to wait for the counter trend line. You need to wait for the change in the short-term trend too. I can make some pips by babying in very short term. Exactly, Alexander. So probability wise, listen to this everybody, probability wise, Alexander and Mo going long right now. Okay, tomorrow might be a different story, but right now, probability wise, Alexander and Mo are better positioned. But how is this possible? Because Sam is speculating. Mo and Alexander, they are trading what they are seeing. Sam is speculating. Make sense, everybody? Date says would be a premature entry. Sam says no, not now. I have to wait for the counter trend line. Yes, very good. And the change in the short-term trend. The market is going up now. It's premature to enter now. I have to wait for the counter trend line break. Very good, Sam. Is 50-minute one time frame short term? The pattern on all time frames are going to define more what is. So you need to learn how to talk to the trader, right? Market wave is long term. Market wave extension is long term. Market wave retracement, talking about the market wave, it's short term. Okay, Mo? Short term trend, extension, it's long term. Short term trend retracement is short term on the short term trend. Does this make sense? It's vocabulary, exactly. Everybody, are there any questions why right now buying the violet has a greatest probability or a better probability compared to shorting the orange right now? And the next question is, if the market is going to continue to make higher highs and higher lows, where is going to be the even better probability to buy? Yes, when you're comparing time frames, but you need to be specific when you talk to a trader, you know? Sure, when you compare the daily chart to the 15-minute, talking about time frames, not patterns, sure, 15-minute is short term, sure. But we have issues understanding the pattern. Make sense, everybody? So far, right, so far, the trader who is going long, its probability wise is positioned better compared to the trader who is going short. Does this make sense? If the market makes a new low compared to this low, then the trader who is short is going to be positioned better probability wise. Does this make sense? Because the market is telling you what is going to do. If the market breaks the relevant high on the orange, then the orange is going to change direction. This is going to be the first orange extension leg, right? Great question. Student traders on YouTube. I have a question on the other other streaming software, other platform. Boss, this is the most important question today, everybody. Boss, if the violet is a retracement on the orange, how come it has a better probability compared to the orange? Great question. What's the answer, student traders on YouTube? Boss, can you repeat, please? There is a question on the other streaming platform and it's asking a student, boss, if the violet is a retracement on the orange, and it is, how come the violet, probability-wise, it's positioned right now better compared to the orange? Date? This is a question for you, Date. What's the answer? Applause today, because the orange is also a retracement on the yellow. Because you have the yellow guy in here, which is the strongest force, right? And we've learned support, resistance, pivot points, didn't we? So it's still a probability game. Is the market reacting to the yellow market wave past support area, everybody? Whoa, I didn't see that. I know, because you are not compressing the chart enough. Everybody give applause to Date, you know, very good, Date. Date was the winner of the last Forex trading week, everybody. Is it clear now why the violet price action, even though it is a retracement on the orange until the market breaks the relevant high on the orange, okay, the violet is a retracement on the orange until it breaks the relevant high on the orange, but from the general view, when you put everything together, it has a better chance of success right now. Until it's making higher highs, higher lows, the yellow is pushing the price action up. Does this make sense? As Date says, the orange is the retracement on the market wave. Sure. Type in the chat. Yes, it makes sense. Type in the chat. I thought I knew. I know it. I don't know anything. Type in the chat. Oh, boss, this is too complex. You need to be a good analyst first. You need to be a good analyst first. You need to chart well and practice the charting and trying to understand. All right? Beginner. It's true. So beginner trader and retail trader mistake, everybody. Now this is knowledge. You don't need to judge yourself. Is that you are trading just like this. This is the mistake. You are here and you believe that you see everything. Institutional traders or good analysts, we zoom out as much as possible to see the whole picture, to see what is what. Alexander says it's clear. Alright everybody, our time is up. Any questions about the Black Friday promotion that it's coming? Any questions about don't let 2025 just to be another year? I don't want to waste too much time. If not, we're going to repeat the whole story on Friday maybe, or Thursday. Okay? Go to the bank if you need to. Don't do stupid things. Alright? Boss, I'm going to the bank to buy a new TV. Well, I'm not sure if it's a joke or not, but you know, it's up to everybody. If you buy if you buy a new TV with $2,000, if you buy a new TV, Is your life going to change if you buy a new TV for $2,000? I believe it's a joke, right? Yeah, we spend money on bullshits correctly. You know? Everybody, the last one, number 5, it's interesting, right? You get the group call forever. You pay once and then you get the Advanced Institutional Trader Program. It's a group call forever, plus the other benefits. But I don't want to waste too much time today. It's Monday. Alright? Okay, everybody. See you back tomorrow with another lesson. Till tomorrow, stay strong and study the charts like a boss, everybody. Oh, Alexander, you had a question last time if you can have private classes, right, Alexander? But I finished too soon the class. I've saw the comment. I've seen the comment lately. Too late. I'm not sure if you're talking about here or this one. Yes, here you have private classes and here you have private classes. This one it's the group class. Other one are private. Okay, everybody? Alright, if there are any questions, send me an email, everybody. MikeFXBoss@gmail.com. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and study what is what like a boss. Never forget you're the boss.